Changing your phone number on Stash is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Open the Stash app. Launch the Stash app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once in the app, look for the Account Settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon or found in a menu. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In Account Settings, find the section labeled Personal Information or similar. This is where you can manage your contact details, including your phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Locate the current phone number displayed and tap on it to edit. Enter your new phone number carefully, ensuring there are no mistakes. Step 5. Save changes and verify it. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save button to confirm the changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS to confirm the new number, so follow the prompts to complete the process. By following these steps, you can quickly change your phone number on Stash. Make sure to keep your contact information up to date for seamless communication.